You're not hot. Hey, what's going on, Joker Gang? How y'all been? Everybody's been good? You know, I just want to do my introduction in peace. I know it's been a while. It's been some time.
What the hell? Oh!
But what's going on, Joker? How y'all been, man? Everybody's good, you know? Yeah, I still been on the channel. Yeah, everybody who follows me, then all to the new followers, everybody that just joined Joker Gang, welcome. Everybody that's already in Joker Gang, don't cuss me out. I still been posting. I know y'all see the stuff I post. Yeah, go show some love if you haven't, and if you're new, subscribe. If you're already here, like the video because it's about to get real. First of all, I hope everybody's Thanksgiving was great. Yeah, hope y'all had and eat your bellies full and whatever else y'all do. But we are back. I am back in the building with a brand new video today. I gotta come back with something spicy. The last one, not really everybody was feeling that TikTok one, right? You know, just wanted to try something new. See those TikTok food combos. If y'all did like it, like this video. Y'all want to see more? Let me know if y'all want to see some other combinations. Some who knows? I'm up for anything. Joker doesn't say no, right? But today we are doing Wingstop's hottest chicken sandwich. And that would be the Atomic Bomb. No, it's called the Atomic sandwich. Damn. I didn't sign a waiver for this, but damn, I felt like I should have. This thing smells hot. It's hot. Should have wore some gloves for this one. But ain't gonna got gonna get straight into this video. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, show some love. Joker's never gonna stop. Don't judge me. All right, let's try it. I see why they call it atomic. Ain't hot enough though.
Oh!
That wasn't spit or nothing. It's a good sandwich. I feel like it's missing something. Joke again, I think it's missing something. Let me go. It's chicken. Put some ranch on it, right? Let's go. Yep, that's right. When I said ranch, I didn't say it was any ordinary ranch. This is the secret sauce spicy ranch. I've been waiting to get my hand on one of these for a while. I want to see how spicy it really is. Secret sauce? Mr. Krabs, where you at?
Damn, bro. That was mad funny.
All right, so let's try this out. See what this tastes like.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Not bad. Don't really taste spicy. Let's try it with the sandwich. Wingstop be hitting. That's all I'm gonna say. The secret sauce doesn't really do much for it. It still tastes the same to me. Spicy. It says hot and zesty. It's probably just hot in my house, but ain't hot.
Out the cap.
Do it look like I'm catching a reaction?
Yeah!
Does it?
Yeah!
Don't lie. Y'all can zoom in all y'all want. Ain't nothing going on here. It's a good sandwich though. It's the hottest sandwich they have. If you guys like spice, real spicy stuff like I do, stop in Wingstop. Go grab you a atomic sandwich. That went down the wrong. This is not worth any milk, water, or anything. I'll tell you what it is worth though. That look right at all, right? Ugh. I don't know what the secret to that sauce is, but it sure ain't hot. Oh. It brings that type of heat for the nose, but I'm reacting anyway. This is not hot. Stop. No way. My nose is running? It's not hot. Come on. Almost done anyway. It do got a little kick to it though. I'll say that much. I know there's something around here. Hat tilted up. So it's giving a little something. It's giving. It's giving. About to be finished anyway. Oh. Oh. We gotta end the last bite in some kind of way, right? Come on. Hot and zesty, spicy. What a joke. Overall, it's a good sandwich. Not very spicy to that level. My nose is running for like almost anything nowadays. Oh, as I said, I do have a little after kick. So you taste some kind of spicy, but it's not Joker's kind of spicy. The spicy stuff that I'm used to and what I've been doing, this is just a regular sandwich compared to that. But you know, yeah, get to see me come back with a spicy video. You guys have always been amazing. You guys have always been so awesome, showing love and support. As I said, if you are new and you're watching, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely, please hit that like button. Smash that like button. Take a hammer, break the like button. Do something. Show your boy some love. But yeah, as I said, I always do have more videos in mind, so there will be many more videos coming up. When the chance is given, when the time comes, I'll be doing it. But until next time, much love. Joker out.